Mostly you just get to the place, you go to the place of transportation. Like you're in Calcutta, you're living in Taliganj. You say, oh, I'm in Taliganj, I want to go to Delhi. Well, you can't just sit in Taliganj and go up on your roof in Taliganj in Calcutta and then say, oh, I want to go to Delhi, and just fly to Delhi. You have to go to Dum Dum, you have to go to the airport, get in the plane. So when you come to, that's why the acharyas, tell us, live in a lilas stali. Live in a lilas stali according to your sankalpa. What is your sankalpa? What is your abhilash? What is your bhakti abhilash? What do you want to attain? If you want to attain Madhurya Bhav in the service of Radharani, then you live in a place that's saturated with Madhurya Bhav and saturated with Radharani Seva. So in Gaudiya Vaishnavas, we are worshippers of the gopis. Ramyat Kachit Upasana. Ramyak Kachit Upasana Brajabadu Bir Sakalpita. So Ramya Upasana. Braja Ramani. The Ramya means delightful, beautiful. That worship. Upasana means worship, the sadhana of the mantris and gopis. How they worship Radharani. And that's told by Das Goswami and Stavavali and Stavamala and Prem Bhakti Chandrika. So many books it's telling. So they're telling us that we should live in a lila stali. So people live different places. Maybe they make the calculation a devotee may take for living is physical. This is a comfortable place. This is a social place. This is a comfortable place. There's lots of facility here. But this is exactly the wrong calculation for bhajan.